All right, Todd here with Jeep Speed Shop. So here's the tranny cooler lines from a Jeep JL with a 392. So they go in just like the Grand Cherokees. So you still have to tap the side of the tranny, but now they don't go back. They're going forward. So now they loop around forward to go around the front of the pan, up over here. And here's the best part, is then they go up right there to go around the oil filter adapter. Now that's the oil filter adapter from the JL with the 392. So they fit up in there really nice. They go up around that really well. And then, ta-da! We also run the cooler from the 392. So this is from a JL. Now, kind of manipulated this mount, bolted it to the radiator. Did a drop down bracket. I can't really show you, but there's like a drop down bracket that we made to bolt it on this side. And then they go in right there. They go into each other. They actually fit pretty good, but I can't in this angle. I don't think I can. So then they come up in this area. So, all right. Well, tranny cooler lines from a JL in a JK, running an HP 70, and it'll also work in a 75. Now, remember the 75 is another inch longer, so, and we really don't have those figured out 100% yet. All right, tranny cooler lines, tranny cooler from a JL 392 in a JK with a Hemi and an HP 70. All right, Jeep Speed Shop out.